Welcome to this short video on production part approval process produced by Industry Forum. The production part approval process, or PPAP as it is more widely known, is an approach developed within the North American automotive industry. This approach can be used to support the customer's decision making when determining if a supplier is ready for the supply of product at production rates. Although originally an automotive industry tool, it is now being used in more diverse industry sectors such as aerospace, nuclear, renewable energy, and mobile power generation. PPAP is linked to the Advanced Product Quality Planning process, or APQP. PPAP allows the supply organisation to demonstrate to their customers that they understand the customer's product requirements and specifications, and also that they have designed a process which has the potential to supply product to the required quality and rate under normal production conditions. PPAP is typically required to cover situations such as the introduction of new products, new sources of supply, or changes to the product or processes. PPAP achieves this by collating output documents from the APQP process into what is known as a PPAP file. This file is a collection of 18 documented pieces of information in addition to a part submission warrant, or PSW. The PSW acts as the top-level record of the reason for the PPAP submission and the document submitted for customer review. The customer's authorised representative reviews the submitted PPAP file and PSW and makes a decision regarding its level of acceptability. This disposition has three possible outcomes: approved, product can now be supplied; interim, product can be supplied for a defined period of time or number of parts, pending full approval; or rejected, in which case the reason for rejected needs to be established and remedial actions taken. The result of the customer's disposition are recorded on the PSW. For more information on PPAP, visit our website or follow us on LinkedIn.